Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to use the Insight panel in SharpCloud. As a user, by the end of this video, you will be able to use the Insight panel to show text and to format it to your specifications, as well as to embed a form in the Insight panel for easy use of your users. In order to open the Insights panel, navigate to the right side toolbar of your screen and select Insights. From here, you can see that you have two options. First, to open the text editor, and second, to add a form. Let's open the text editor first. In the text editor, you can see at the top here are all your control buttons for how to configure your text in the Insights panel. In this case, I want to have my heading, and maybe I'm going to add some instructions or guidelines for my users as they step through this story. Now I can see that I am in a normal paragraph, and I can start typing. If you're particularly inclined to use HTML rather than to have SharpCloud automatically change your settings for you, you can click to the source code and type here. Once you click off the edit pencil, you can see that my instructions or my text that I've added will stay. At the top of the panel, I now have a couple of options. First is whether or not I want it to be pinned. So now if I navigate to another view and come back, my panel is not pinned for my users. Once I click off of my panel, you can see that my text is saved. And now I have a number of options at the top of my Insights panel. First, I can decide whether or not I want the panel to be pinned for my users. So if I unpin the panel and then navigate to another view and back, you can see that it will not open automatically. I can also delete the contents of the panel, or I can use the ellipsis to find the same settings. I can also, if I wish, add a form into my Insights panel. In this case, maybe it makes a little bit more sense to use a different view. You can see already on my risks view that I've added in a risk form directly to the Insights panel. In order to do this, what I did was I opened up the Insights panel, select the form dropdown underneath add a form, and I added my risk form. Now what I can do is add in a new risk, add some of my metrics, and now I'm easily able to submit my item and see it populate onto the view in real time. That's how you go about using the Insight panel in SharpCloud. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.